Barack Hussein Obama II is the current President of the United States 2012 and is the first African American to hold office. Barack Obama was born in Honolulu, Hawaii and graduated from Columbia University. He also graduated from the Harvard Law Review, becoming its president. From 1997 to 2004, Obama worked as a civil rights attorney in Chicago and taught students constitutional law at the University of Chicago Law School. He served 3 terms in the Illinois Senate from 1997 to 2004. He ran unsuccessfully for the state's House of Representatives in 2000. His presidential campaign began in February 2007 as he defeated Rodham Clinton of the Republican Party. In the 2008 presidential election, Obama defeated John McCain. Obama states that he'll run for president again in April 2011 and is currently trying to defeat Governor Mitt Romney for the 2012 presidential election. As a president, Obama accomplished many things as president. Barack Obama signed the Economic Stimulus, forming the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act of 2009. He created tax relief and the Job Creation Act of 2010. He committed the budget control of 2011. Barack Obama ended the USA's part in the Iraq War, but increased the amount of troops in Afghanistan. He signed the New START arms control treaty with Russia and involved the US military in Libya. He ordered the death of Osama bin Laden and succeeded. Barack Obama also publicly supports gay marriage.